Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. I just bought this USB colorful sunset lights with USB with a sound sync technology. It's very cheap. It's only 5 ringgit 80. So let's look into the details. Okay, this is all the picture. Okay, so this is the description. Description it is. Okay, so let's unboxing. So let's look into the box here. The light dance to your music sound sync technology. I'm gonna do another video of testing this product. So user's manual. Connect to power tree calibration, first press blue light. Voice control calibration, RGB, RGB shut down. Okay, then below. Stage effect, mini compact, relativity behind the projection of the into the link. Alright, so let's unboxing. Oh, this is from top. Nothing. It's a very tough product. Like very sturdy and you can fold it anywhere and it's still on it'll never bumping back. So USB and then okay, the button, sweating the button. All right, okay, thank you very much for watching. This is the unboxing. I'm gonna do another video of testing this product. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Oh, if you like the product, I'm gonna put the I'm gonna write down the link to buy this product below this video. Bye.